Our first exercise is pitch. We talk in terms of low pitch, middle pitch and high pitch, which mirrors to a degree the Golltraí, Suantraí and Geantraí, the magical strains of music. So you have the sorrowful or low note, the soothing, calming middle note, and you have the energizing, happy high note. These are very, very crude delineations. When you actually go to work with Draíocht Ceoil, you will see much more speckled use of all of these things, a much more nuanced use. But to start with, as our first exercise, this is a good place to start. We start with pitch. The lowest note is the lowest note that you can sing with your voice. Now, I'm going to try and demonstrate. I give you fair disclosure. I tried this earlier and my 11-year-old from 2 rooms away went, "Who's making that creepy noise?" So bear with me, okay? This may not be my best work. So a low note would be something along this. And you just emit it. Don't worry about anything else for the moment. Just the middle note. And the high note. Now, you do that up and down, moving from one to another, over and back, till you feel that you're warmed up, that you can go as low as you can and as high as you can. Note what each makes you feel. Does the low note feel uncomfortable, or does it soothe, and so on? As you go up through them, how does that note make you feel? Then play your recording. Record yourself, play it back, and see, what are you hearing? What do you feel when you hear those notes? How does that feel in your chest, in here? What comfort or discomfort does it cause? The next stage you can play around with is moving your mouth and making sound. So making different types of sound at different pitches. So you can go low, but you can do it like this. You can go and up through them. If you go high, you can go like an ambulance siren kind of thing. Make different noises. I'm laughing because I look ridiculous and probably sound ridiculous doing this, but you have to lean into it. Do not be afraid of looking or feeling a little bit silly doing this. Practice those up and down. If you're brave enough, record yourself, tag me in it. I would love to see. But if you're not, just say how you got on with it. Now, doing this once is not enough. This is something you do every day, every day, every day. You just do it over and over again. Be very mindful as you do it. We only need a few minutes of this. We're not talking about doing it for hours on end, but just be really present and mindful when you're doing it. And constantly refer back. Is it making me uncomfortable? Do I like that note? Does that make me feel weird? Why is that note? Why is it catching at my brain? Why is it why all the time? Really lean into it, and we're going to move on to exercise 2 tomorrow.